Let's make the right arm move. When I select right arm, you can see that the anchor point is right in the middle. Pressing the R key for rotation will show you just the rotation setting. So you can also do P when you want to do position. Very useful. S for scale. Let me do rotation. But before I do anything else, I'm going to go right to the beginning. And I'm going to need to move that anchor point, because if I rotate the arm this way, it's not going to look right. So I've got my anchor point tool here, and I can drag that anchor point right up to the shoulder. And then when I rotate the arm, it does a little better. I find it easier to hide the body and maybe zoom in. We can see right where that anchor point should go. In fact, let's do all of these. V is the keyboard shortcut for the selection tool, and I can then just have this anchor point and put it right there. Let's do the legs and this leg, just in case we want to rotate those as well. Okay, so now we have this arm. Let's change it up. So let me start off by having the arms down here on their sides. Here's left arm, R for rotation settings, and I'll bring those down. Let's keyframe both of those. Let's do that again. Go forward in time, and let's have him bring this arm up here and bring this one out as well. If we go forward in time, we can then have him flap. I don't know, do something funny with him. And at some point, we can take these and paste them and see what we have. If you don't like it, it's okay. Just delete those and try again. So they're down. I'm going to bring them up slowly, not both of them at the same time. Bring him up, and then he's going to start flapping. And then I could take these original positions and put them at the end. If I have those selected, it's kind of covering it up. V key to change to the selection tool, and let's see what we have so far. Puts them back down. So something simple, just keyframing the rotation and then returning them. You can always copy and paste keyframes to extend it. I'll do some legs positions so you can see what that looks like.